Today I wanna show you a method where you can make a lot of money just by clicking your mouse few times, and it is one of the most simple ways I've ever find to make money online, and I am gonna show you this today, so don't go anywhere because this is going to be an amazing way to make money online. But before that, if you like videos about the best way to earn money online, subscribe to the channel and also hit that notification bell. Now let's get in today's video. So the method I am gonna show you today is something new that's happen on Fiverr. So you guys probably knows about Fiverr, where you can put service out there and you can make a lot of money by completing orders. And here they have added something new, which is short video ads. As you can see, it is new on this platform, and short video ads is very simple, and I am gonna show you how to do that as well. But first, if we sort it by recommended, you can see right here the prices are extremely high: $100, $60, $150, $75, $550, $80, about $5,000. I will shoot a short video ad for your brand. It's awesome. As you can see, a lot of money can be made by using this, and also by going into that as completely newbie, you can grab a lot more attentions. As you can see, a lot of people have like 200 reviews, 180 reviews. That's not a lot. If you knows Fiverr, you probably knows that ratings on Fiverr are extremely high. So what you have to do here is to create a small advertisement, probably 30 seconds to a minute, where you talk about the brand. Talk to the client to see what is he looking for. What is he? Maybe a car dealer, maybe he is an accountant or anything like that. Well, I am about to show you one of the best way that you can do this very simply, and that is with flexpress.com. And as you can see right here, automated templates. Click on this and you can see they have a lot of templates that you can just plug and play. Click a few buttons, write a few lines of text, and advertisement is done. So what you have to do is to click on ads on the top right corner, and let's check one of these really quick.
I've had this problem.
Big problem.
I really needed.
A good accountant.
And I kept searching.
And searching.
There are so many choices.
It's really hard to find one that has all the things on my list.
But I finally did it.
Yes.
Thank you.
If you are looking for one as well,
Look no further.
Here's a really good one.
Just use mine.
Use mine.
I'm very satisfied.
Definitely recommend.
Problem gone.
thank you.
So as you can see, this is a very good advertisement. Now if you give this one of your client, their response will be more likely, wow, this is an amazing advertisement for my business. Now as you can see right here, they have a lot of templates that you can choose from: DJ, doctor, electrician, florist, hairstylist, illustrator, lawyer. Like you can choose between everything. Like everything is on here. And that means if you start a gig like this and you start getting clients and ask for a short ad, then you just plug and play into here, and you ask him the product photo, company name, website address, contact number, and a little bit of text, maybe like a slogan or something like that. And as you can see, this is very simple, but this doesn't end. Like this is just first template. They have lots of other templates as well, and there is so many things that you can do with this, and you can use them to make a stunning ad for your client. And also here on Fiverr, lots of sellers are doing this as well. If you think this is a good, easy and best method, like this video, comment down below if you have any question. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell as well. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.